Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw for this giveaway and let's select the winner by this comment picker website. Friends, in my previous video I have said that to leave a comment of your Instagram or email ID so that I can contact you, and I got 26 individual comments, and let's start picking up the winners, friends. The first winner is Srimantino Rossi. Let's take a snap of this result and ask for his picture. And next, select the second winner. Congrats, bro. The second winner is Raghav Ravichandran. Let's jump into the video, friends. Friends, actually some of your comments have been closed by YouTube itself because it's considered as scam, as it mentioned some ID or like that. So I'm sorry for this, friends. It never happens previous time, but it happens right now. So I'm going to figure out some other ways for my next giveaway. Then friends, thank you so much each and everyone who supported me by subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking, and sharing my stories and sharing my drawings on your stories and statuses and all those things. Thank you so much, friends. It's been great, and keep on supporting, friends. There is a lot more way to go, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. And yeah, friends, then friends, in my previous after achieving 900 subscribers, I have said that I'll not be drawing a person this time, and I'll be drawing two persons after achieving 1k subscribers. And I'm doing that right now. Friends, here is a thing which I want to say to you. Friends, drawing a single person, it's not a big deal for a giveaway. So giveaway want to be huge. I'm thinking of drawing 5 person at a single giveaway after achieving 1.5k subscribers. Yeah, theoretically being I'm drawing a person for each and every 100 subscribers change, but not immediately. I'm postponing it a bit, and it depends upon your support. And friends, yeah, I'll be drawing 5 person after achieving 1.5k subscribers. I think this might be a good idea, and if you think the same, just give a thumbs up, or if you have any suggestions in it, just drop it down below in comments or DM me on Instagram. That's it, friends. Then coming to the second winner, he is Raghav Ravichandran. And friends, I love to read all of your comments and replying to them, and it's been great, friends. You're showing a huge support. And yeah, friends, actually I plan to draw these two portraits in colors, but I didn't have much time for that, so I just ran out of time. Yeah, I drew this picture and graph it itself. Friends, I'm doing the final thing here. As you can see his shirt, and yeah, because of time limitations. And here's the drawing, friends. I hope you like it. And friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Bye.